What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Microsoft stocks, and we'll go over if after earnings, is Microsoft still bullish? Because we did have a gap up after earnings, right? A good beat and a gap up, but we are seeing a red candle. Is this, as I say, is this going to continue higher, or that's it? It's poof, it's gonna come lower. So let's talk about all that in the technicals form because now the earnings have happened, we have new technicals in hand, and let's see how things are looking like with this. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. I'll also provide you an update on my position that I had on the short side, what I did with that. So before going there, I just want to go over a couple of articles first. So Microsoft Q3 revenue jumps 17%. Microsoft reported a 17% increase in revenue and 20% increase in the net income. And so Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella revealed during the post-earnings call that the company had set new records for game streaming hours, console usage, and monthly active devices. The company's share, yeah, we already know that. Looking ahead, Microsoft anticipates solid revenue growth for Q4 and issued robust guidance for 2025, expecting double-digit growth in both revenues and operating income. However, the company expects 1% year-on-year decline in operating margins. Capital expenditure for 2025 are projected to exceed 2024 levels as the company intensifies investment in its cloud and AI infrastructure to secure a larger share of the AI market. The Azure business is expected to grow its revenue by 30 to 31% in the current quarter. Great earnings, great beat. Now let's come to the technicals. So we had a gap up. Well, before that, the position update is that, guys, as I was partially sizing out at these significant levels, and in this final gap down, guys, I'm fully out of the position, and Microsoft is done for me. And well, not just this full gap up, sorry, not full this gap down that this day, but when very little position that I was still holding on the Microsoft during this market post earnings, the gap up, I just got out with the remaining 15% position that I had left on it. So yeah, this position, as you know, is over. I did take partial profits out in all these gap downs, and I'm happy. Now, as for the technicals, right, is Microsoft still bullish though technically? So guys, the thing is that yes, we had a gap up, but we still sold off and we are rejecting still underneath of that 20 and 50 days moving average on Microsoft. So technically it is setting up to the at least downside on intraday level. So let's go to the 4 hours interval. And this, well, okay, sorry guys, let's go to the hourly interval. And here's the thing. So we are sort of forming lower highs, lower lows on the intraday levels, okay? And this thing can continue lower actually, guys, as if unless and until it doesn't recapture a previous pivot at least, and that is here at the level of $410. If Microsoft can't get above that, and at that point, I would say let it go above 200 hours moving average as well first. If Microsoft can't get above 200 hours moving average, that's a resistance together with the 20 and 50 days moving average, and Microsoft might continue lower, at least to the level of 397. And here we have to see if the support is going to come again. Anytime if Microsoft gets above 200 hours moving average, it will start to get bullish again. But right now, no. I'm seeing that that puff is getting out of it, right, of Microsoft after earnings. Slowly and slowly, it has been like just giving up the gains. So yes, 397 is the next level to watch. I'm not going to play this trade at this point. I'm happy with the trades that I have taken on Microsoft. This is though becoming a short play, and if we lose 397, then this will continue lower, fizzle down lower at 384 or so. I'll talk about QQQ and SPY much more in detail in separate video. This video is mostly for Microsoft, but I'll take you over QQQ and SPY as well just to show the sentiment around it, because Microsoft is the most heavy weighted stock in QQQ and SPY, right? And so is Google. Google video will be coming out as well, guys. So Everything is great, but technically this is not working out right now. So you're watching $413 one another level. Let's go to the hourly interval back again. Yeah, so getting above 413, if on Monday we can do it, that will put us above 200 hours moving average, can also then put us above eventually 20 and 50 days moving average. So this is the zone, 413 and above is the zone. If Microsoft can get above it, sure, it will become bullish again. Otherwise, this is still just the downtrend, guys. Earnings have been over, but Microsoft hasn't really changed the structure right now. That tells me it's just fully bullish. It's not actually. $413 level would be the one if we can get out and above that. Otherwise, just expect this to continue lower, in my opinion. I also want to go over, well, as I said, QQ and SPY just real quick, but I want to go over this article as well. Goodbye Google Gemini, Apple in talks with Microsoft-backed OpenAI for iPhone AI features. Apple has reportedly resumed discussions with Microsoft Corp-backed OpenAI about incorporating the startup's AI technology into the upcoming iPhone feature. So the companies are discussing the terms of the agreement. The development marks the reopening discussion. Okay, Apple has not yet final decision on the partners. There is no guarantee that the deal will be reached. Why it matters? Well, okay, I'm just trying to see what it's gonna do in that AI part for phone. It doesn't go over that. So it just says significantly impact the iPhone capabilities. That's all it says, nothing more than that. But just something to keep that in mind. All right, let's go to QQ and SPY as well, because Microsoft is the most heavy weighted stock, right? So as I said, I'll talk about it later, but said QQ intradays, it has been finding that pivot and upside, and that rebound is fine. I did talk about, guys, this is expected. It's fine. It can come up to 432, but we are not above 20 and 50 days moving average yet. We are still below that. And same with SPY, still below 20 and 50 days moving average. Monday will define it, but it's not fully bullish, but intradays, yes, it has been. So I just want to take a look at 1 hour interval just to see in the post market how things are on SPY. Okay, strong, and so is in QQQ strong. Okay, I'll talk more about this, guys, in when I do specifically SPY and QQQ videos over this weekend. This one was mostly for Microsoft. So yes, the sentiment to me, the technicals to me are looking like weaker on Microsoft, technically at least. Earnings great, forward-looking guidance great, but technicals confirmation is not there to the upside. 413 is the deciding level for that. Right now, it may head lower if it's not gonna recapture above $413 level, all right? That's my opinion. Nothing is guaranteed, just what I'm sharing as how I'm reading the market and the stock data here. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below of this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.